Okay guys, today I'm going to be talking about forwarding a port in VS Code. So my local application is running on port 3000, so I'm going to enter that. And I'm going to authorize in my GitHub because I'm doing it for the first time. If I was doing it for the second time, I won't need to do this anymore. So it's going to take me back to VS Code, and now my port is being forwarded. But currently it's private, but I'm still going to show you how that works. So I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to go over to my browser and I'll load it, and you can see, okay, it's going to ask me to authorize to connect to a dev tunnel, and I'm going to do that. And we have our application in a few seconds. And here we are. So this is the application running on my local computer, and I'm able to forward a port. So yeah, this is very cool. Very, very cool. This is something you would have done with services like ngrok. Okay, so now my port is private, so I'm going to try to simulate another person by using incognito. So I'm going to try to load the link and it won't work. So it's going to ask me to log in into my GitHub, but I wouldn't want that. So I'm going to make it public. So anybody with a link will be able to access the application running on my local computer. So I'm going to load the link again after making it public, and everything works as fine. So it's going to ask me, okay, you're about to connect to developer tunnel. So I'm going to accept, continue. And here we are, we have the application in incognito, which simply means I can send this link to anybody as long as I didn't close my VS Code or I didn't stop the application locally. It would always be available. But if I've closed my VS Code, then it would be broken. So you can add more ports as you want, so it will still serve the same application. So but now I'm going to try to show you what happens when you close your VS Code. So I'm going to close my VS Code, which stops the port automatically. So, and I'm going to try reloading the application again, and it's going to be broken. So it's broken here now, and you can see it's broken. And I'm also going to refresh the one I loaded in the incognito tab, and you'll see that it's also broken. So if you want to forward your port, as long as you want the application to still be accessed using this link, ensure that you don't close your VS Code window or stop the application running locally. So as long as that is up, then your application will always be saved through that link. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, you can like, subscribe, and hope to see you back soon. Thank you.